Hello.
Hello. Hi. Welcome. Welcome. Are you
Thank
Sahiba?
you. Yes, my name is
Sa- Sa-
Saiba. What's your name?
Sa- Francilla.
Nice to meet you.
Fran. Nice to meet you too. How are you?
Thank you for asking. How are you?
Uh, Very well. I had the best day. Yes, yes. This, yes. This morning I had two classes and I met the most wonderful people. And then I went to walk in a forest. I'm so lucky.
Oh,
Yes,
wow.
yes, yes. It's
Where are you from?
fantastic. Of South Africa. I live in
Oh,
Cape Town. Yes, but right in the middle of the city, at the foot of a mountain, we have this natural forest. So I can walk there every day. Yes,
very nice.
yes, very nice. How was your day?
Ah, good.
Great. What did you
Yeah.
do?
Mm, I I read some books.
Oh, yes. So
Yeah.
it's weekend. It's weekend today with you. It was the first day of the weekend
Mm, today?
today. Is it weekend or not?
No.
No, not weekend. Okay. So did you work or are you a student?
I'm student.
A student. Okay. Did you go
Yeah.
to class today?
Yes.
Ah, okay. So
In 11th grade.
11th grade already. That's nice.
Yeah.
That's so nice.
Yes.
Yes, yes. And where are you from?
I am from India.
Oh, from India. My word. I
Yes.
thought you were from Saudi. Let me just write that down. You are from India. That is
Yes.
amazing. Yes.
Yeah.
My my son loves India. He had been there
Oh.
3 times already. 3 times he visited India. Yes, and then he stays for
Oh.
3 months. Yes, in a small
Okay. Nice.
village. Oh, I don't know if it's not a city. It's called
Yeah.
Vrindavan. You know Vrindavan? I'll write it down. Vrindavan. Oh, I hope Vrindavan. Something like that. It's a holy city. The pilgrims go there.
Uh.
Yes, a holy
So,
city.
what?
Yes.
What's your profession?
Oh, I
What's your?
had always been a teacher. Yes, I had always been a teacher. No, no, no. First, I started out at a normal school, high school. And then I got married and I had a child. So while I was
Oh.
pregnant with the child, I decided I don't want to
Yeah.
go back to the school. So I studied pre-primary. Do you know pre-primary? Pre-primary education.
Pre-prime.
Education, you know? Pre-primary for the young,
Yeah. Yeah.
really young children. They are 4 and 5 years old. So I studied
5 6.
that,
Yeah.
and
Yeah.
then yes, yes. Later on, I had my own pre-primary school. That was so nice. Yeah, and
Okay.
6 years ago, I started online teaching.
Oh,
Yeah.
very
Yes,
nice.
but
So,
first I was with a company that had only Chinese and Taiwanese students, and now I've been with Cambly for a week, and I love it. I meet people from all over the world now, like you from India. Yes, yes.
okay.
Now, yes. Tell me about India. What do you like about India?
Uh, mm, I like nature.
Yes, yes. It's a
Yes.
big country with lots of beautiful mountains. Do you live near a
Yes.
mountain?
Yeah.
Ah, yes. I have seen pictures that my son took and also on the internet. And I also like watching Indian movies. So,
You
yes,
like
me.
Indian?
Me, yes. Yes, yes, I
Very
like it.
nice.
I saw
Uh,
a movie called The Toilet. The Toilet. Have you seen it?
the
The
toilet.
Toilet.
No.
Yes. It's about a small place, and they didn't have toilets in the house. They all went
Yes.
into the field in the morning and in the evening. And then the
Yes.
one guy got married to a girl from a city, and she didn't like it. She wanted a toilet in the house. But the people said, no, you can't have a toilet in the house. So it was very, very funny, but also very well done. I really enjoyed the movie. So
Oh.
what do
So,
you like to do?
uh, in
Yes,
my okay
hobbies.
hobbies.
Yes.
Okay. Uh, I like and I like painting as well in my free time.
Ah, painting.
Painting, yes. I like
Ah,
greenery.
and green is like
Nature.
landscapes outside nature. You can call it
Yes.
landscapes. You like painting landscapes. Yeah,
Okay, okay.
fantastic. Yes.
Yes.
What about sport? Do you do any sport?
No, no, no.
Not at all. Okay. Ah,
Yeah.
yes. What do you do for
Do you like
exercise? Do you
sport?
walk? I used to play tennis, and I like playing table
Oh,
tennis, ping pong on the table. That's nice. But these days I just take walks, and I swim. I love swimming.
oh.
Do
You
you
cry?
like to swim? Do you
No,
like to swim? Not at all.
no, no,
Can you swim? You don't go into the water.
no. Mm,
Okay. And
difficult.
very difficult, but
Yeah.
if you practice,
Yeah.
it's very nice, very
Yes.
good exercise.
Mm.
Yes, very good. Yes. And is it now turning into winter where you live? Is it cold?
Yes.
Yeah,
Ye-
yeah, yeah. And does it snow in winter where you live?
yes.
Ah, are you looking forward to the snow? Do you
Yeah.
like snow?
I like. Yeah. You like snow?
Yeah. Yes, yes,
Mm.
but I haven't seen a lot of snow, because where I live, it snows on the top of the mountains, and sometimes it's too high. You can't even go there. It has to snow a lot before we can reach it. But then I make my little balls and I have a snowball fight. What about
Yes. Yes.
yeah,
Yes.
yeah. Yes, it's great fun. It's great fun. And the balls
Yes.
can't hurt anybody. Yes, yes. But it had been so nice meeting you, Sahiba, and I do
Yes.
hope to see you again. I see we have half a minute. So quickly tell me, what are
Okay.
your plans for tomorrow? What are you going to do tomorrow?
Uh, sorry.
What plans for tomorrow? What are you going to do tomorrow?
I don't. But.
Uh,
Mm,
just relax.
yeah.
Yes, yes. Enjoy. I do hope to see you
Yes.
again to speak more. Bye.